Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about Container Widget. It is one of the basic yet very powerful Flutter widget that I use all the time. It combines the common positioning, painting and sizing widget. Let us now see what Container Widget can do. I have a basic app and a page with a scaffold, an app bar and a body with a text. So let me wrap this text with a container. So nothing changes visually. The first and most used parameter of a container is a child, as container is used to contain the child. But there are a bunch of other parameters that container provide. Let us see the constructor of the container. So we can see that it provides various parameters like alignment, padding, color, decoration, width, height, constraint, margin, transform, child, and so on. So let's see. First, let's try the next parameter, color. It takes a color as a value, and color can be any material color or any color constant that you can provide yourself. Providing a color parameter to the container gives the background color. So it's the painting property of the container. Next, another most commonly used parameter is padding. So padding takes edgeinsets geometry. So let's try edgeinsets.all 20.0. So this gives a 20-point padding all around the container. Next, similar to padding, there is margin. Again, it takes edgeinsets geometry, which we can provide. Now, giving the margin gives margin around the container. The next property that we can use with container is decoration, and decoration takes box decoration object. One thing to notice is that we cannot use color and decoration separately. So if we provide decoration, then we must provide color inside our box decoration. It provides the same effect. But the box decorations provides bunch of other properties like border radius. So if you want to make a rounded container, then we can provide border radius.circular 20.0. This rounds the corner of our container. Another property that we can use with container is border. It takes a border object. Let's try border.all constructor of our border. It takes three properties. The border width, let's make 5.0 width border, and takes the color, let's make red color border, and then it takes a style, border style dot solid. So this gives a 5-point border to the all side of our container. We can also use the constructor of border object to provide border to only, let's say, left side with border side. Now width 5.0, colors dot red, and style border style dot solid. So this gives a 5-point solid border to the left side of our container. We are unable to see the left border, and if we see in our debug console, then it is giving us a render error. That's because we are using the border radius, circular border radius on all sides, and providing only border to the left side. So that is why there is error while rendering. So to give a border on only one side, we need to remove border radius.circular. Doing that, we can see now the 5-point border on the left side of our container. Another important property that we can provide our container is its width and height. Let's provide a 200 pixel point width and 300 point height. This expands our container 200 point to the horizontal axis and 300 to the vertical axis. What happens if we provide width as infinity? Does it expand to the infinity? No. It only expands as much as the space available in that direction. So horizontally, it expands to the space available. Finally, another important property is alignment. The alignment property tells how the container should align its child, which takes a alignment geometry object, which we can provide as alignment dot. So where do we align? Let's say top center or bottom right. This way it aligns its child as the alignment provided. Another interesting decoration property of a container is a foreground decoration. To make it clear, let me just style this text, give it a size, font size of 30 pixels, 30 points, and then color of white. Okay, so let's see foreground decoration. It again takes box decoration, and let us provide color. Colors dot red. If we do that, our text hides behind the decoration. So from this, what we can see is decoration property provides decoration behind the child, whereas foreground decorations provides the decoration on top of the child. So let's provide color with opacity and let's make it 0.5. This is very useful when you have an image inside your container and you want to overlay an image with a translucent color. This is all about container widgets and its most common properties. All the code for this tutorial is available in my GitHub repository, the link of which is shared in the description below. Do not forget to check it out. Thank you for watching this video. Your feedbacks will be much appreciated.